Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. What we have for today is a Hall effect sensor called A1332. To have a better idea of its specifications, applications and working environments, let's sail through the website controleverything.com and here search for A1332. Now A1332 is a precision Hall effect rotational angle sensor. The A1332 incorporates a Hall sensor IC that measures the direction of the magnetic field vector through 360 degree in the XY plane. The A1332 computes the angle based on the actual physical reading as well as any internal parameters set by the user. For this video session, I will be interfacing A1332 with the Raspberry Pi and a Java code. For the Java code, let's go to the resource tab and here is our Java code. Click on this Java code and you can download it from here. You can also have this code from our GitHub repository Control Everything community. Now let's have a look over the hardware connections we require for this project and proceed further. Now coming to the hardware section, first of all, we need a Raspberry Pi like this, which you are able to see on my screen. And these are the GPIO pins of the Pi. Next, this is an I2C shield. This shield is available on our website controleverything.com. This is very useful in making the connections with other I2C devices rather easy. So make this connection and gently place this shield over the GPIO pins like this. Now what we need next is our sensor, which is A1332, and this is a connecting cable. Gently insert this cable over the sensor like this, and while making this connection, please make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same goes for the shield. Now to power up our Pi, we need a micro USB cable, and gently insert this cable over here. To make an internet connection, we need an Ethernet cable or a LAN cable, and make this connection over the Ethernet jack. Now if you don't have an Ethernet cable, you can also use a Wi-Fi module. At the end of this, now we have the connections like this. Now let's proceed further with our code. For the interfacing of Hall effect sensor A1332, we need a Java code along with the Raspberry Pi. For the Java code, let's go to github.com and now here type in control everything community, which you are able to see on my screen. Click on this and here search for A1332. Now this is our required sensor and here is our Java code. Before moving to the Java code, there is an instruction which says that we have installed and used Pi4j library on our Raspberry Pi, and this is the link which helps you to install Pi4j library on the Pi. Please do it carefully. Now this command is to compile the Java code and this makes the code run. So note it down carefully. Now get back to the code. We have our code in .java extension. First of all, we have imported some of the Pi4j libraries as you can see and created a class named A1332. The address of our Hall effect sensor A1332 is 0x0c. Now in the reading section, we have read 2 bytes of data which you can see, and this is our checking command to validate the data. Now in the conversion part, we have done so that according to the formula which is described in the data sheet of A1332. At the end of the code, we have our output data in the form of magnetic angle. So this is how our code is. Now let's see how it works with our sensor. For the working part, first of all, copy this entire Java code and go to the terminal. Here create a new file with .java extension as you can see and paste this entire code and save it. Now the command to compile this is here like this, and the code is being compiled here. The code compiled successfully, and now to run the code, this is the command, and as you can see the magnetic angle is there. When I place magnet over there and run the command, there is a change in magnetic angle, and when I will rotate it, there is a change in angle, as you can see. Now again there is a change, and continuously doing this, there is a change like this. So this is how our code works. Now let's proceed further. So we have just seen the working of Hall effect sensor A1332. The A1332 is a 360-degree contactless, high-resolution programmable magnetic angle position sensor. This system-on-chip architecture includes a front-end circular vertical Hall technology, programmable microprocessors based signal processing, full-term angular measurement, and on-chip double EEPROM technology for flexible programming of calibration parameters. These features provide an extremely accurate and linear output for both end-of shaft applications and as well as off-axis applications. Now they are used in electronic power systems called EPS, in transmissions, torsion bars, and so on. This sensor can be purchased from our website controleverything.com, and the Java code is available on the very same. You can also have this Java code from our GitHub repository Control Everything community. For further queries, you can reach us on controleverything.com and be sure to post your comments on our community page. For blogs, articles that are relevant to these videos, you can have a look over hackster.io and also on Instructables. For more videos and tutorials like these, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And in the end, you have a good day and thanks for watching.